My name is Danielle, and I would like to welcome you to the Outlook course. There's a common misconception that Outlook simply equates to email. However, this is not the case. In reality, Outlook is a much more diverse tool. It also contains an advanced calendar system for setting up appointments, an address book for storing the information of many different contacts, a section for creating and assigning to-do lists, notes, and so much more. The entire course is broken down into 5 different projects or units. You're going to watch a series of videos that range in length from 2 minutes to 8 minutes. In each video, you're going to be taught a lesson and asked questions along the way to check your understanding. You will also be asked to demonstrate your knowledge. This will be done with a scenario that is going to continue throughout the entire course. The scenario is going to ask you in a real-world setting how to complete a specific task. Now, without further ado, let's get started with this course.